Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what's the energy for you ngayong August 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book for a reading directly sa calendar ko. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Virgo, let's see what's up. What's the energy for you ngayong August 2026? Individuality. This is focused on yourself. It's about who you really are. Oo. Na hindi siya nakabase sa kung ano ang tingin ng ibang tao sa'yo or kung ano ang ine-expect ng ibang tao sa'yo. You are more aware of who you really are. Na hindi mo ina-align yung mga desisyon mo sa desisyon ng iba. Meron kang sarili mong desisyon. You are independent. Oh, life purpose. You are also aligning yourself to your purpose. You want to do things na merong kabuluhan. Oo, kumbaga. So, maaring iba sa inyo, nagkakaroon kayo ng awakening. Like, awakening can be spiritual or can be just, personal awakening, realizations about yourself and ano yung purpose mo, why are you here, how can you help the collective, how can you help others, be of service to others. Taurus energy. So you're going to cultivate that talent na meron ka. Okay? So you are discovering more about yourself, kung paano mo to mas manunurture, maaalagaan, para mag-align ka sa purpose mo. You're going to ask yourself, why are you here? What's the purpose? Kumbaga, purpose-driven life. Let's see your overall energy. Oh, wow, judgment. Yes. So this is about rebirth. A brand new you. Ano ba yung kakayanan mo? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-release, i-let go? And ano yung kailangan mong i-keep? Para ka nagdi-declutter, 'di ba? Pag nag-declutter tayo sa bahay, tinitingnan natin, sinusort natin, ito, okay pa to, pwede pa to, magagamit pa to sa bahay, o di i-keep mo. Pero pag, ito, hindi na to, napapakinabangan, go, benta, tapon, o kaya donate, ganon. So, it's a rebirth. Now, your challenge is the 8 of Cups. Takpan natin. Okay. 8 of Cups. Ibig sabihin is, maaring ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano umalis or mag-let go ng mga bagay na minsan pinanghawakan mo. Kaya lang kasi hindi na fulfilling para sa'yo. So, you have to ask yourself, handa ka ba na mag-stay dyan? Willing ka ba? Kasi kung kailangan mo pa rin magtiis, nasa sayo na yon. Kasi andyan na yung opportunity sa'yo na may baguhin sa buhay mo. To be in alignment of who you really are. Your opportunity is the Page of Pentacles. Pagsisimula muli. 'Di ba? I think this is someone na who wants to start all over again, start fresh, learn something new. Para kasi meron kang i-unlearn. Oo. Yung mga natutunan mo can be indoctrination or anything na natutunan mo in the past na na-realize mo it is no longer aligned to your goal, to your purpose, sa mga plano mo. You will unlearn that and you will focus on new knowledge. Bagong kaalaman, bagong ideas na gusto mong palaguin. Your blessing, the 6 of Cups. Your blessing is an energy from the past. Na this can be related to your foundation, your roots, your family, na parang ibibigay sa'yo, parang i-hand over na sa'yo. Okay? As simple as, halimbawa, may sasakyan yung parents mo, ibibigay na nila sa'yo yon kasi alam nila kaya mo nang mag-drive. Yung mga ganun, no? Ganong analogy. It's like giving something to you na blessing siya dahil ito yung matagal mo na rin gustong makuha. Pwedeng mana yan, di ba? Oo, or anything. Ang mana kasi hindi lang naman yun pera, no? Pwede mong manahin ang features, features talaga. Yung pwede mong manahin talento ng parents mo, ancestors mo, mga gifts, spiritual gifts, 'di ba? It's like someone is handing over a very special gift to you. Ganon. Happiness, wow. It's like pwedeng flowers, you will receive flowers or you will enjoy going out with nature. Wow, o 'di ba, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. Yes, I think this is the one that I'm talking about kanina na like something new that you want to nurture after unlearning something, no? And then you are highly thought of. Wow, someone is thinking of you. Ngayong August, maaring you will have, magkakaroon ka ng like an influence or people will feel inspired doon sa mga ginagawa mo or whatever you are imparting them, no? Tinuturo mo sa kanila. So, you are highly thought of. Okay, so let's see what else. How can you serve yourself better? This is taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, maaring, you know, you've been giving service to others, tapos ikaw, hinuhuli mo lagi yung sarili mo. Now this time you have to ask yourself, what do you really need? What do you want? Ano yung kailangan mo? Ano yung gusto mo? Hindi yung kailangan ng iba at gusto ng iba. Diba? You will serve yourself. Healing wisdom is surfacing. Stop and listen. Yes. You're also healing from your past. I think also na isa sa blessing rin sa inyo is magkakaroon ka ng closure sa isang bagay sa past mo about a past situation or energy. Can be related sa family or relationship na it will come in full circle, may pagpapatawad, no? May pag-uusap, can be related to family, but I think that's part of the healing process is healing your trauma. And some of you meron ditong abandonment kasi may abandonment issue. So I think that's also what you're going to heal, yung ganong experience. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.